Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this episode we'll be treating the consumer surplus. I hope you're ready. We have a market function given as Q is equals to 180 minus 2p, and they gave us a price as 65 and they asked us to determine the value of the consumer surplus. So first thing first, we have the price as 65. We need to impute this price into this equation, to this function, and 65. So first and first, minus 2 times 65 give us minus 130. So our Q will be equals to 180 minus 130. So our Q is now equals to 50. So we've gotten our quantity and we have our price. Q is equals to 50 as P is equals to 65. In a graphical form, this is seen as this. In the box form, here is Q 50, P 65. So the next thing is to get the inverse demand curve. Sorry, the inverse demand function. I don't know if you've heard of it. The inverse demand function. So with the given market function, to get the inverse demand function, we have to make P the subject of the formula, and we do that. We have Q minus 180 is equals to minus 2P. So to get P as the subject of the formula, we have to do the division of the coefficient of P, which is minus 2 on both sides. Minus 2, minus 2. So when we divide, we have P. This 2 has cancelled out itself. So it's equals to 1 over 2 in decimal form is minus 0.5. Don't forget the minus sign. Then this minus will cancel out this minus, then we have plus 9. So this is the inverse demand function. The inverse right here is the quantity demand function. The normal one demand function. So it's inverse demand function. Okay, so on a graph, this will be illustrated in this form. The demand graph is downward sloping, don't forget. The demand curve is downward sloping. So on the price part, P is equals to this. Here's our Q, I always forget. So this 90 is here. And for this Q part, we have 180. So now let's show you how it is on the graph. Okay, we've gone halfway. Here's our P. So we're gonna get our demand curve, which goes all the way down. So this part here is our consumer surplus. The shady part here is our consumer surplus. Now first, to get this consumer surplus, we move back to old days where they always talked about area of a rectangle, half base times height. Half base times height is the area of a rectangle. So here's our base. Most people forget that. And here's our height. This part is called the adjacent. Am I right? But we're not making use of that part. So for this triangle, we have our base as 50. This 50 is our base. And our heights, we don't have our heights. Remember, we have here is 180 from our quantity demand function, and here is 90 from our inverse demand function. So to get your heights, that is here, this minus this will give you your height. 90 minus 65 is equals to your H. And H is, when you solve it, you have H as 25. So we've forgotten our base and our height. Therefore, half base, our base is 50 times height 25. So therefore, our consumer surplus is equals to, when you solve everything, you get 625. This is our consumer surplus. Well, I hope you learned something. And in the next class, we'll be treating the producer surplus. We'll have a graph like this, which makes use of the supply curve actually, which is not downward sloping as the demand curve. It's this other way, And when there's a mixture of both of them, we can find what we call the debt to weight loss. But that's not what we're treating, so anticipate the next video on the producer surplus. See you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.